Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I'm so excited because I have a Be Happy box to show you all. It just came today. It is the one that they have out right now. It is, at least at the time of this video, it's called Have a Grateful Heart. There is the box. And yeah, just a little disclaimer, I've already opened it and so I've kind of seen what's in it, but let's go ahead and dive into this box again because I want to show all of you what is in the box. Alright, so you open it up, it has this really pretty tissue paper and it has this little sticker that says happy and grateful. I ripped it off as best I could. And I might have to like cut it out for the rest of the sticker. That's okay. I can always glue it instead of it sticking like a normal sticker. Anywho, so let's go ahead and open this on up. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you that's in this box is this little pencil pouch. It says this and that. It's super cute. It is pretty translucent, which is awesome, so you can see like what pins you have in there. Speaking of which, let me grab a few pins. Just dropped one, that's okay. So I'll put these guys in there. And I don't know if you can see, well maybe you can on the screen, how you can tell what pins are in there. I think that's super awesome and quite fun, and it's so cute. So yeah, I got that in this box. And then the other thing you get is this this is a notepad. It says happy and grateful, and it has the little quotes on there. And yeah, so it's super cute. You get that. You get some washi tape, which I'm super excited about because I don't think I have any Happy Planner washi tape. Well, now I do. But before I got this box, I didn't. At least I don't think I did. But it has this really cute black and white, almost polka dots washi tape, except they're really teeny tiny little white dots. And then this beautiful pink, blush pink, like grid washi. So that's super fun. And then this washi tape is translucent, like see-through with numbers on it. Let's see if I can pull it out so you can see it a little bit. So that's really cool. You also get this cute container full of like pins and these like little clips, and they're silver, and that's just super cute and pretty unique, I think, to be in a box. This is my first Be Happy box that I've ever purchased myself, but I still think that's pretty cool and unique to be in a Happy box. You get this really cute, large, like almost like a decal sticker. It says happiness, gratitude, and love. Super cute. Oh, and I forgot to mention this, sorry. This is the first thing that you'd see in your box. At least it's the first thing I saw in my box. But it says be your own kind of happy, and then it does tell you everything that is in your box and like about those items. So sorry about that. And then you have this really cool sticker book. It's called Happy and Grateful. Beautiful blush pinks with like browns and black and white, and just very versatile, and it has everything to do with gratitude, obviously. Very positive. So I'll just do like a quick flip through of everything for you. A gratitude checklist right there. That's pretty cool. spread some happy today. I love it. It's really pretty. We'll just say today. They're super cool. Today I'm happy about. It's awesome. Today I'm grateful for. Cool. Remember. Hello, beautiful day. Gratitude. Life is beautiful. Fall in love with life. Begin, relax, create, believe, dream, listen, explore, give. Those are super cute. One happy life. Be kind. Trust the timing of your life. Be here and now. The future begins now. These stickers are really cute. They're silver, which is pretty unique. I don't know. I don't have a ton of silver stickers, so that's cool. It says note, to do, and today. Embrace change. That is not always so easy to do, but it's a great reminder. Grateful. Breathe in all the possibilities that today holds. Super cute. Gratitude list. Happy and grateful. Rest, relax, calm and peaceful. Smile and laugh. Inhale and exhale. The future begins now. Super cute. I just love the colors. And this one is called Happy and Grateful. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to buy this outside of the Be Happy box. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. But yeah. You also get this stencil for making checklists, which is really cute. I do actually have one of these already, and it's super, super handy. And you can put this right in your planner, which is cool. And then you get this really pretty gratitude journal. You get this really pretty gratitude journal, and it has the silver discs on it. And this pen holder is something you get as well. It doesn't come on your gratitude journal. I just put it on there. And but first, let's look in the gratitude journal. It's this gorgeous blush pink. There's the cover. It says the future begins now. The back is just that blush pink as well, with silver discs. You have the page that describes what this book is, which it's a gratitude journal. This one says it says define your passion. And then inside of it you have a page that says thoughts. So you could literally do a brain dump and just write all of your thoughts down there. That's always very therapeutic to do. Or of course you can use it however you'd want to. And then when you open it up, you have reflection, gratitude, and it just continues and continues with the same pages. But it does have some really cool little sayings up here. It says always practice reckless optimism and kindness. And I believe they're different little sayings. Be thankful for what you have. Yeah. Believe something wonderful is about to happen. That's cute. So I'll go ahead and just flip to this next tab. It says happy and grateful. And then this one is really cute, really pretty silver and white circles. And then the last one says be present in the moment. So all of these pages that are within the tabs are going to be the same. The reflection and gratitude pages, which is really cute. And then here's the back inside cover. For some reason, some of the pages in this book that I got are upside down, but that's okay. They just need to be flipped the other way. So nothing's wrong with them. They just came upside down. So that is the inside cover, or inside inside back cover. Yeah, so that's super cute. And then the last thing that you get are these really cool month pages. Oh wait, I didn't show you the pen holder. So you get this really pretty blush pen holder. My favorite pens. And that is super cute. You just attach it right there. And there you have it. Super cool. I love it. It's so cute. Yeah, that is really cute. So you also get these monthly view pages. They have, like, it says month, and then you can write the year. It's undated, of course, and it says noted at the bottom here. And so you could, like, literally write, like, something you were grateful for on a specific day, like one thing that really stood out. You can use this for quite a few different things. It doesn't have to be gratitude, but that's how I saw somebody online using it. Was they just like put, maybe it was like on Happy Planner's website. That's probably true. Like they just put like whatever happened that day that was really awesome, or something they're grateful for, or both. And then on the other side, you just have lined paper. And so you get a whole bunch of those, which is fun. And yeah, so that is this new Be Happy box. I hope you enjoyed watching me go through everything that's in this box. I really, really enjoyed it, and I'm very happy that I got it. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. And if you'd like to see even more videos like this from me and other hauls, maybe DIYs and all kinds of stuff, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified the very next time that I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.